If you trade like the top 1%, the Greeks aren't going to matter. Okay, the top 1%, they buy options. And let's think about it. If you have a $100 stock and the 105 calls cost $1, let's say it's a 6-week option. If it gets to 110, okay, by the third or the fourth week, then that option is worth $5 and some change. $5 is the difference between 110 and 105. That's parity. Implied volatility is not going to matter on that $5. Implied volatility is only going to matter on that change. Maybe it was 20 cents. Maybe that option is worth $5.20. So if you got the implied volatility right, 100% correct, then the only thing that's going to matter is maybe 3 or 4 cents. So in the grand scheme of things, does it matter? No.